All right, everybody, so what's going on YouTube? Today we're going to be doing lightning fast stain extractor from Chemical Guys. Now, this stuff is powerful yet gentle cleaning agents, removes stubborn stains with ease, won't discolor and fade interior fabrics. Yeah, so that's what it says. All right, so the instructions here, we're not going to, all I want to do is just go straight to the instructions. Shake well, dilute if desired, secondary container. Recommended dilution is 20:1. Vacuum the area to remove loose dirt. Spray product on surface to be clean. Agitate area gently with a brush. Blot and white area dry with a premium microfiber cloth. Vacuum and use extractor for superior results. Okay. Off top, just right off the top, reading this, that's a lot to unpack. So this product is sold at Walmart. And that's where I picked this stuff up. And here in the United States, it costs about 12 bucks. And shake well, dilute as desired in secondary container. Recommended dilution is 20:1. My thing is that if you have to buy a secondary container for a product that you're buying from Walmart that's supposed to be ready to use, it's too much trouble. That's extra cost. Back in the area to remove any loose dirt and debris. Spray product on surface to be clean. Agitate gently with a brush. You have to buy a brush. You know, towels, premium microfiber cloths, you know, a lot of folks have those around the house, or you could just use a terry cloth. Those work as well, too, as far as for cleaning fabrics. Agitate area, blot dry with a premium microfiber cloth, vacuum, or extractor for superior results. Look, if you have an extractor, you wouldn't be using this stuff. So you'd be buying, renting an extractor from Home Depot, or using some carpet cleaner like Bissell or something like that, or upholstery cleaner like Bissell, you know, or something like that. You wouldn't be using this, I wouldn't imagine. So let's just see if this stuff works. Now I'm highly skeptical just by reading this. So on this thing, it has a stream, and then also it has a spray. Let's see what it looks like as a spray. We're going to use it in this area. You can see these stains. I mean, it's obvious. So let's just go ahead and use that here. I'm going to be using a microfiber towel, microfiber cloth, as you can see. And I'm going to let this stuff sit, let the sunshine hit it, so that way you can see this, what it really looks like. Not in the shade, not in the shadow. Not that it would make much difference, but I'm allowing this product to do some work, as you can see. And this video is meant for everyday people buying stuff out of the store to help you understand how to use certain products and seeing if certain products are actually even worth using or buying. So this is real life. This is a real life car. As you can see, it's dirty. And let's just see if this stuff will clean. Yeah. Y'all see what I see. I mean, yeah. Contains cleaning agents that attack stains, grease, and dirt. Quickly eliminate them eliminate the need for vigorous scrubbing is what this says. Lightning fast extractor is, let's see, is water-based, so it means no harm will destroy your original colors or whatever, right? All right. So you could spray it on. This is what it says. 3 different ways. Fast stain extractor is, let's see. It's so versatile. There are 3 ways to use this product. Spray on and wipe off. Brushed in. Basically spray on, wipe off, brushed in and vacuumed out, or it can be used with a leading extractor machines for superior results. Clean your interior carpet, upholstery, fabric, and more with Chemical Guy's lightning fast stain extractor. Letting this dry out in the sun. It's about 85 degrees out here, and we're in Florida, of course, so it's hot. But as you can see, one application, this stuff did not pull it out. Did it improve it? Yes. But for as much product as that I'm going to have to burn through, I've already used this much just on this one area. You'd have to use, I don't know how many bottles to do an entire vehicle. I mean, and for 12 bucks a piece, yeah, you may be better off just renting an extractor from a home improvement store, and a carpet extractor or upholstery extractor, and just doing it that way instead of spending the money on this. That's just the review. Would I recommend this product? No, I would not. Is it cost effective? No, not when you have to do the entire vehicle, something like this with 4 seats. It is not cost effective. So it looks like right here, I'm going to bring it over the top, I'm going to bring it over on an angle. You can still see the spots, they're coming through. Yeah, so real life review. Does it improve it? Yes. Does this product improve the look of it? Yes. Is it a solve all, you know, something that's just great? No, absolutely not. So hope this helps. It's a real life test. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications for videos like this. So here's the other thing, guys. Before I go, I want to let you know that there are products out there that are in the cans, some foam products that we have reviewed on this channel that are $4, $5, $6, half the price, almost half the price is what this is, and they work better. So just keep that in mind. So there we go. Hope you all enjoy. See you on the next video.